So now we have completed this course. I'll tell you that how can you utilize this course as much as you can. Right here you can see that there are the various potential that I've written. Now this is an inclusive list, not an exclusive list. Okay, so you can obviously add whatever you learned more right here. That is, you can invest in good companies. The first thing you have to check is their financial, and you can know how it can be manipulated and how to check it. While donating, you should always check the financial statements of a foundation. You can save your tax. Once you know how to prepare it, you can know that what are the places where the tax can be saved and how. Okay, you can use it for tax. I can't read it. Can you? Okay, you can read it. Use it for dash. I can't read it. Can you? Okay. You can prepare your own financial statement, P&L, CFS or balance sheet and every other ledger possible. You can easily use Tally or any other software in the world because almost all the software works the same like Tally only. Analyze fraud or window dressing in a financial statement. That is, window dressing is making up a financial statement good although it does not look that good. That is personally makeup. Okay. Personal financing, if you have to manage your own savings, manage your own household expenses, if you want to challenge yourself to increase your sales, you can create that budget. You can read your bank statement, and almost most of the time bank charges inept charges in your account. You can challenge your bank. You can create your own invoices. And yeah, so basically this is a super essential skill, and if you are not covered in any one of these, I'll tell you that you can log on to the internet and check out the various courses of accounting. Like, this is the freelancer website and there are tons and tons of courses. If you just write accounting, that is 217. And this is when we wrote accounting, not analyzing. If you write analyzing, that is a high level paying job because that includes detecting fraud and correcting the financials. So this one is writing the, okay, this one is tutoring everyone else. Obviously you know everything from the A to Z. You can go ahead. Bank transaction summary, few old banking transaction to transfer to Excel. Good. Seeking a virtual assistant. Okay, that is an accounting assistant. Need an expert in finance. You are an expert. Data entry, that is a basic data entry, 227 per hour. With GST filing is nothing. You just have to enter one more thing, that is GST, which I taught you how to enter GST, TDS and other else thing. Private project. Okay, so bookkeeping job, 605 per hour. You just have to in search of a bookkeeping keeper to manage accounts of a client in Canada. Yeah, good. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can check out these jobs and you can sign up to any one of them, and obviously you can encash this course. So I hope that you make the most out of this course, and if in doubt, feel free to write. And obviously my first recommendation is you should always take this course on your own pace, because the more you learn, the more you earn. Okay, good day. And my ending note is that it was a fantastic journey with you guys, and you have been an amazing student. Also, yeah, I hope that you are able to utilize this course in your real life. Then only this will give me the true happiness that I wanted for you. So yeah, good day and take care, and of course keep writing to me for any doubts.